Where are we going? Huh? Where are we going, Ellie? Hey, where are we going?
We're going to get pandesal.
We're going to buy pandesal and
Egg.
egg. Kuya, what are you doing? There is no such thing as the fish eating Ellie. Yummy. Hala, kuya. I will finish all of this lang. You just swap na, okay?
This is the fish. Eat
Uh-huh.
the fish.
This is the fried fish. This is langgit.
You eat the fish?
Opo, you like?
Yeah.
You want the fish?
I am playing a game. It's crunchy.
It is crunchy. Oh, you want to try?
Yeah.
Small lang.
I'm playing a game.
Small
What
lang.
is that?
Yeah, it's a fish. Oh, try.
I'm playing a game.
It's crunchy? Huh?
Good.
It's good? Really? You want
rice
more?
also.
You want more?
Rice and fish.
Yeah.
Really? You want to try? But Emirates is in...
You have only one?
Oh, here's the crunchy fish. And let's go get some rice for Ellie. Dapat pa nagkamot na ako. Yum, yum. You like it?
I am Taco Bell.
You like it?
Would you like to eat Taco Bell?
Huh?
Taco Bell?
What's that?
Spin away. Oh, what is like one so sway? Spin away. Oh, what is like. Do you want the one?
One chupon. What
Eat
are you
more.
doing?
I want more.
Apo.
No, I don't want more.
Huh? You want more? Then you don't want more?
You want this?
Yeah. Huwag mo gusin.
Okay. Kaya ko na.
Naubos ito.
Tengok na ba ito?
Damo naman ako talaga niya. Ako ha.
Ito ko naman.
Kaya man din?
Tayo.
This one. This is our... What do you call this?
Onion.
No, it's dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah, yummy.
Dragon fruit.
Uh-huh.
You got this one?
Yup.
I want the cell phone.